6.
Public health officials are giving us a timeline on new potential tightened restrictions.
This comes after El Paso County Health reported a 37% spike in positive incidents over 2 weeks, possibly the result of Labor Day gatherings. KRDO News Channel 13's Julia Donovan is live overlooking El Paso County with that. Julia.
Public health officials told me we still have at least a few weeks before businesses need to worry about stricter precautions, and they said we still have time to reverse that. El Paso County Public Health Director Robin Johnson told me there could be a number of reasons COVID-19 cases have spiked again. Labor Day celebrations, back to school, cold nights spent inside, and the fact El Paso County's response to COVID-19 had been doing quite well for a while.
And so we become a little more relaxed and maybe not quite so diligent, and the numbers creep up again.
The incidence rate, which is the number of people with the virus out of every 100,000 people, has risen from 62 to 73 over the last 2 weeks. If it hits 75 over the next 2 weeks,
then we begin the conversation with the state about what our mitigation is, what we are doing as a community.
Dr. Johnson told me if we do need to implement stricter precautions, we likely won't see any changes for at least a month as they reassess the situation. If they see the trend has continued, El Paso County will move to safer at home level 2, which means indoor capacity will shrink to 100 people or less, and outdoor events would be capped at 175 people. But Dr. Johnson said there's still time to stop that from happening and flatten the curve of transmission back down, like we've seen in months prior, by wearing a mask, social distancing, and quarantining if you've contacted a patient.
Historically, our community has been able to come together with solidarity, and people have tightened their belts again.
Above all, Dr. Johnson wants people to know we likely won't see any drastic changes to guidelines happening overnight.
I think that as we have gone through our learning curve here, we have a better handle on what some of the warning signs are. There's not an on-off switch. We're really working so that people can be prepared.
A new COVID-19 incident rate number should be available mid-October. We'll, of course, give you another update on the situation then. Reporting live overlooking El Paso County, Julia Donovan, KRDO News Channel 13.
Yeah, some